Assalamualaikum. My name is Syed Mubin bin Zaid Mata. Okay, today I will like to do some explanation about this multimeter. Okay, this multimeter is named of digital multimeter. Okay, in this digital multimeter we have voltmeter, and we have ammeter, and we have ohmmeter. This is voltmeter used to measure a direct current. This is used to measure AC current or alternate current. This is direct current but in a small value. Okay, alright. First of all, we have a positive and negative. Alright, this is a positive probe, and this is a negative probe, and this is grounding. Okay, first of all, before we want to measure a voltmeter or ammeter or ammeter, we must make sure the polarity of the probe, positive and negative, is the actual polarity. If not, the when we measure, the value will be negative, and we cannot get the true value or the actual value of the measurement. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Kamalia. Today I want to show you how to measure battery 9 volt using multimeter. Okay, now we select direct current volt to 20 volt. Okay, and then we tap positive and negative like this, and we got 10.12 volt. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faizan bin Abdul Jalil. Today I will be presenting about how to calculate the ohmmeter of resistor by using the digital multimeter. First, we must set up the knob of digital multimeter to the ohmmeter reading. I'll be set up to 200k range of ohmmeter. Okay, next, the resistor doesn't have polarity, so we can touch positive anywhere of the leg of resistor. Okay, the reading will be show 4.6 kilo. If you need more precise, the reading must be the knob of multimeter must be set up to 20k. And then touch the resistor. Okay, the reading will be show 4.61 kilo ohm. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Roman Al-Hakim Abdul Qadir. So today I would like to talk about how to get direct current from this circuit. So first of all, we need to set up our multimeter into the appropriate range, which is 20 milliampere. So the first thing we need to do is we have to open the circuit in order for us to set this ammeter in series with this circuit. So in theory, we know that the battery is 9 volt and the resistor is 4.7 kilo ohm. So when we calculate in theory, the current will be 1.9 milliampere. So in order for us to get this measurement, we need to put the red probe to the positive side of the battery, and the black probe, the negative probe, to this side of the resistance. So we will get 1.41 or 1.40 milliampere. So for the direct current of the circuit, it is 1.4 milliampere. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to show how to measure AC voltage using digital voltmeter. Now this is AC current or AC voltage. Now we can use this probe and then we turn on. For that we must select to the voltage, AC voltage. Okay. Okay, now the multimeter show 229 volt. This is show the actual value of AC current from the AC socket is 229. Thank you.
Hello guys, today I want to show you how to measure current using clamp meter. This is the tools I use, clamp meter, and the wire 3 core. We have live, the brown one, and the earth one is green, and the blue one is neutral. Okay. So now I want to construct this circuit. How the circuit look like after we construct. We have 3 wire, live, earth, neutral. Now we switch on the plug and we select to 200 amp AC, and we clamp at live wire. Intermediate 0.1. If we lower the current to 20 amp, the value will get 0.17 amp. Thank you.